this episode, I'm going to demonstrate a flip and a reflip of an oar boat to the IRF standard. In an IRF assessment, you start outside the boat and you have a paddle in your hand. So that's one difference. I don't have a paddle in my hand right now. I have an oar boat. And so it's harder because I have the oars, but a little easier because I don't have the paddle to control. And you start by getting on the boat and you have 2 minutes to get on the boat, flip it, reflip it, and get back in the boat. To flip the boat back over, I'm going to use a traditional flip line. I store mine in my PFD. You can store yours wherever you want to. I'm not a big fan of the dangles, but whatever. And you saw I jumped out and away. Those oars coming over can hurt you. And so you don't want to be anywhere near those oars as they flip over. So I jumped again out and away. And I'm choosing to climb up on the end of the raft. Some people like to climb up on the sides. I personally think it's way easier to climb up on the ends. It's a choice. As part of the assessment, I'm supposed to be counting my guests when I'm on the upside down boat, which I did. You didn't see it, but I did. And now I need to just get back in the boat. A true IRF assessment ends now if I have control of the paddle. I'm making this one a little bit harder. I have to sit in my seat and have control of both of the oars. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.